Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will share an exciting news with you that ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, has introduced online courses on Python and machine learning. This course is starting from 17th February and it will continue till 28th February. So you will get free e-certificate, and this is the type of certificate you will get after doing this course. So please register yourself for the course. So here in this website you have to register yourself for this course. And in 2024 ISRO introduced course on only Python, but this year they introduced the course on Python and machine learning. So I will give this link of this page in my description. Please go and register yourself for this course. Course ID 156, geodata processing using Python and machine learning. So I will show you step by step process that how you will able to register yourself for this course, and I will be there with you from the registration till you get the e-certificate. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will give all the information related to this course. Now here you have to click this online registration form. So click it. After that, this prompt will open external website that opens in a new window. So you have to click OK. Now you will be proceed to this page. Now in this page, here you have to write your full name as per class 10 certificate. Okay. Now here you have to give your email ID, and here you have to confirm the email ID. That means same email ID you have to write in both the boxes. Now here you have to give one password that should consist of one lowercase and one uppercase, one number and one special character. And the password should be at least 8 character. Okay. Now scroll down. Here you have to retype the password which you provided here. Now here you have to write this code. If you have already registered for this portal, then you have to click this already registered. Now in this case, you have to log in your already registered account. There you have to write your email ID, and here you have to give your password. Now same things, you have to provide your the display code here and click login. So after you click the login, here you will get this page. Now in this page, here you have to select your course name and mode of registration. Now when you click this course name, you will have to choose from geodata processing using Python and machine learning and remote sensing of soil. So two courses are there. So you are doing the first course, so click this. Now click this individual registration. You are, because you are not registering yourself from ISRO Nodal Center. Now click this individual registration. Now scroll down below. Here you have to select your basic qualification, your prerequisite for the selected course. Now when you click this basic qualification, here you have to select this. You have to be a student of a final year undergraduate course or postgraduate course any year at least, and at least a citizen of India. Okay, so click this. Now if you are not a final year student, then also you can do this course by changing the passing year. Okay. Now you have to select the basic knowledge. Now here you have to click this NA because nothing is shown here. Now here how the course contents of this course will be useful for your professional career. So you can write your own words here. So I write this, that this course will help me in my professional careers as I wanted to become a software developer, and Python and machine learning is also trending in the market. So I am really looking forward to do this course and get the certificate. Okay. Now click this next. Now here you have to provide your personal details. Here if you are a boy, then select Mr. If you are a girl, then select Miss. Now here you have to provide your father name, here your full name, your date of birth, your gender, male or female. Now nationality, that is India. Now mobile number you should provide here. Now city name you have to provide, and country, state and pin code from where you belong. Now after filling the personal details, you have to click this save and continue. Now here you have to select your highest qualification. So after clicking this, you have to select your qualification, that if you are pursuing your graduation, then select it. If you already graduated, then graduation. If you are post-graduating, now select post-graduation. Now as I am pursuing graduation, so I select this pursuing graduation, and in major subjects I select IoT embedded system. You can select different subjects. Now in your board or university, you have to select and year of passing. Now next you have to click this save and continue. Now here you have to provide your professional details, that is employment status. If you are a student, then select students. If you are a working professional, then select this. If you are self-employed, then select this. Now choose qualification, UG or PG or PhD. Now here you need to upload your photograph, your passport size photograph, and the file should not exceed 500 KB. Okay, and the file format should be in JPEG, PNG or JPG. Now here you have to provide your identification proof, and I provide Aadhaar card here. And here you need to give your identification proof document, your Aadhaar card you have to upload. Here you need to give your Aadhaar number. Now after filling your professional details, you have to click this save and continue. Now here you can recheck your all the information you provided in your form. You check your name, father's name, date of birth, everything. Check this also, the qualification and mode of registration and everything. Then click this apply. Next, a prompt will open in front of you. Here you have to click OK. After that, you see this message: congratulations, your application is successfully submitted for forthcoming ISRO outstretched program for the course number 156. So congratulations, you successfully registered for this course. You will also receive one mail in your inbox, and you can print this page also. Next, from the mail, you will find the username, password, and the URL by which you can go to the portal where you can do this course. Okay. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you get some help from this video, and share the videos with your friends. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video.